Hello, my name is Jacqueline Cannon. I'm from Plano, Texas, and I plan to be a freshman at Mizzou this fall studying biological sciences on the pre-medical track. The first question I would love to answer today is, what is my favorite attribute about myself? I see myself as someone who's hardworking and never refuses to give up. Within the last 4 years of high school, I've been involved in various leadership positions on my dance team as well as National Charity League. Within those, I'm always striving to be resilient and having the best determination. I'm always the helpful person that will support and encourage anyone who needs it, and to be the helpful hand that you can lend on. The other question I would love to answer is who I admire most. That person would have to be my mom. I grew up with 3 brothers and I was the only girl, so having that relationship not only with her as my mom but as my best friend is something that I'll cherish forever. Her hardworking and determination is qualities that I reach for each and every day while holding a positive attitude. She also enrolled me in various sisterhood organizations such as Camp Mystic for Girls and National Charity League, and having those relationships with them is something that I want to expand in my life forever, and it's something that I do truly hold a place in my heart for. And I'm so excited for recruitment, and I can't wait to see you all there.